Be honest, how many AI course tabs do you have open right now? All of them promising to change your career, and somehow you feel more stuck than when you started. I've been right there. So here's the one thing that makes this simple. Almost every AI and data science course in India is really one of 5 learning models: a self-paced library, a university badge, a placement bootcamp, a live program, or a domain specialized program. There's no single best course. The right one depends on your experience and your goal. Let me show you all 5 in 5 minutes so you can choose with a clear head. Quick promise, I'm not here to trash anyone or crown a winner. I want to give you a lens, because once you can see the model underneath the marketing, the logos stop mattering and choosing gets easy. So don't ask which brand is best, ask which model fits you. Before you buy anything, score it against 7 questions. 1. Who is it really built for? Beginners or experienced professionals? 2. How much of it is actually live, not pre-recorded? 3. Will you build things or just watch videos? 4. Are the projects tied to your industry, or is everyone building the same generic capstone? 5. Are the claims honest, or is it selling guarantees? 6. Can you finish it alongside a full-time job? And 7. Who do you become in 6 months? If a course can't answer those clearly, that's already your answer. Now, the 5 models. Model 1 is a self-paced video library, a big, cheap catalog of recorded lessons you go through on your own time. Honestly, I love these for exploring. If you're curious, go for it. But here's the honest catch, and it's not about you. Across 221 online courses, the median completion rate was about 12.6%. Most people drift off because no one's waiting for them and life gets loud. So it's perfect for exploring. But for a real career move while you're working full-time, you'll want a model where someone notices when you go quiet.
Model 2 is the University Badge Program, a course offered under a recognized university's name. That badge genuinely helps your CV clear the first filter, and it looks great on LinkedIn. 2 things to know though. First, many hand you a menu of electives. Fine if you already know the field, tricky if you're switching. Second, most of these are university partnered programs, not a university degree.
So the badge opens the interview door, but your skills still have to walk you through it. And here's the freeing part. Hiring is shifting toward proof of skills, not just degrees. With years of experience behind you, your track record is already your strongest card. Get a solid recognized certificate to clear screening. Just don't overpay for the logo.
Model 3 is the Placement First Bootcamp, sold mainly on job promises. So here's the only filter you need. The moment you see 100% guaranteed job or pay after placement, pause. No one can guarantee your future. A good program improves your odds. It can't promise the result. Treat that guarantee as a flag, not a feature. Model 4 is the live program. Lessons in real time with a mentor, not recordings. This one's a real step up. Just check one thing. Is it actually live? Some are recordings with a doubt session bolted on. The good ones are truly live. Voice on discussions, doubts cleared every session, and help outside class too. One catch that's easy to miss. If everyone builds the same generic capstone, you'll gain real skills, but not proof that fits your industry. Model 5 is the domain specialized program. Model 4 plus the missing piece. Everything good stays, truly live, real mentors, doubts in and out of class. But when the fundamentals end, it asks where you're coming from. Banking, healthcare, testing, operations. And your capstone becomes that world. Real problems from your field. Why it matters. Workers with AI skills command around a 62% higher salary for the same role. You earn that by proving you can solve an employer's problem, not just finishing a course.
Learnbay is the clearest example of this model, so I'll name it built exactly this way. Domain specialization, live projects from your field, and AI collab, a hands-on build space. I honestly haven't seen done this way anywhere else. Not for everyone though. Want the cheapest option, a shortcut, or you're not ready to build? Not your fit. But if you've got real experience and want AI on top of it, this was the strongest model I found. So which model is yours? If you're just curious, enjoy a self-paced library. If you're early and want the name, take the university route, but spend wisely. If you want structure and a push, a bootcamp works, just skip the guarantees. And if you're an experienced professional stepping into AI, choose a live, domain-specialized program where the projects become specific to your field. That's the pattern that changes outcomes, not the ad, the model. One last thing before you spend a rupee. Run your shortlist through those 7 questions. I've broken all 7 down in the next video. It's right here. Now go close a few of those tabs. This just got a whole lot clearer. See you in the next one.